the difficulties to make the proper training system. And in general, pruning is just the tools how we should balance the new shoots and fruiting woods, nothing else. And if we have the too much fruiting woods, we can expect high yield but low quality. If we have too much new shoots like this, like water shoots, we will have the strong vegetation and no fruits. So our role as a practical workers who are doing pruning, just to try to make balance. This tree, it's let's say more or less balanced regarding the new shoots, little bit vigorous, which is expected and normally. And I think the main goal of the training system is to allow the tree to capture as much as possible lights. If you look at to this tree, we have the two things in one. We have the main trunk, which is the spindle, but also we have the, let's say, four, which is the vase. So,
but having poor angle.
Yeah, with a poor angle. So in laterals, we are usually trying to make the angle which is 90 degrees, because it's shown if we put like this, we can expect some spurs next year, good quality, and you can cut easily. You know what our experience shows with the European plant, when you have the new shoots like this one, it can be bent. Take care. It can be bent during, this is too low, but generally, if you have, okay, if you take this, it can be bent during the vegetation, like this, and if you keep it, now I'm talking about spindle. So this is the main, just forget these four laterals, and if you have these laterals, and if it's the angle, I don't know, 90 degrees, you can expect the spurs next year, and then pruning is very easy.
Should we switch to smaller trees?
Okay, but I just want to say a few comments, general comments about it. Even we don't need to cut. So, but what is the problem with this bending? It's a time-consuming process, you know. But if you are doing, you know, what I'm talking about, green pruning, you can bend this branch during the vegetation easily. But if you don't bend, and you are waiting for the dormant pruning, now I'm not sure what to do. If you bend like this, you have the elbow, you see, and usually buds which are on upper position during the vegetation will just give new water shoots. There is no results. Other option is maybe to cut, and in stone fruits we are usually, when we need to cut or to stab, we are. Where is my colleague? Please.
No, I am your colleague.
Okay, we are all colleagues. Okay. So, what is idea? If you need to cut 1 year old shoot, is better to cut on the upper, so that last bud should be upper, not below. Why? Because you know this is situation. You see, if this is upper, it will be much stronger. This will be lower, and then you are come back next year and you have this situation. Otherwise, you will have the complication. But okay, let's forget this. Generally, when we're talking about training system, my experience show that this situation is very complicated for the management. So you should stay or with spindle or with vase, not both of them. Because if you look this part, there is no much lateral branches, because there is no light, you don't have the buds, and after the few years you will stay without, let's say, fruitful potential in this area. This is maybe 60-70 centimeters. In this area you will not have the fruit. At least you will not have the good quality of the fruits in this area.
Even maybe no fruit.
Even
that's true.
Yeah, that is the problem.
So Miljon,
yeah,
assuming this is a farmer's thing, he has to retain it.
But okay,
do we cut this?
Of course we will cut, but we have the
we will cut.
Colleagues, just
we will cut. Had it been a base system, which we call
open center.
Open center, तो ये कट जाएगा.
Open center or
We will remove this one then. it's going to be base or open center system. Rest is okay. So please continue.
Yeah. So as Professor said, now we already have the 4. Usually with this open center or with vase, you need to have 4 or 5. So they are already formed. You know, if you are going, they are still a little bit, how to say, narrow. It's better if they're a little bit open, you know, yeah. But still, it's okay. So now we will cut this, and we will have the open center. This is the first thing we should do.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
You will put finger.
I will put finger, but I will remove before you start. If you agree. Okay.
Yes.
You know, usually with the stone fruits, we are stub or always left like this small part, because if you are going like this, maybe you will have some reaction, and just to avoid, cut like here.
Chalo bhai. ये तो भी बंद हो गई इसकी बैटरी.
Pruning is done.
पूरी चार्ज नहीं हुई.
ना ना क्या हुआ भाई तुम्हारा? हाथ वाली कहाँ? 60 कहाँ? So we will remove it later. दूसरे पे करें. आए तो बड़ी तौर पे साफ करिए, पर फेल हो गई. तौर पे पूरी आएगा. पहले कर दिया ध्यान किसी ला ले तो फिर से चल. ना चार्जिंग वाला है कि दूसरे हैं ये? चल कोई नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, कट कुट चलो जी कर. हाँ स्टील थोड़ा दबाना पड़ेगा.
बैटरी लो एक आ गया उसमें.
बैटरी लो. Okay.
This doesn't exist anymore.
Yeah.
Now we have something which is called open vase. And the second thing which is very important, how big, how tall you want to have your trees. I suppose this is the probably size when you want to stop, or do you want to grow more?
No, we want to stop now.
If you want to stop, if you take the, let's say, just to, no, it's okay, I can access. Now we have this, let's say, extension, which we don't want, and usually, you see, when we cut like this, we have because those buds usually are vegetative and they're very strong. So they just give us the new shoots. And just imagine that you find the time during the vegetation, let's say beginning of June, and remove this. You will have let's say, better preparation of other branches. Now I'm going to remove all this. But you should take care, because probably we will have again reaction here. And it's the best way to come when it's this soft and young. Just come with hand and remove. You don't need even this
Sketcher.
Yeah. So sometimes you can remove like this, and if you want to extend growth, if you imagine this is low, you just choose one and cut on the bud which is going to and just remove like this, and you can expect this one will be the very strong, but other it's be like this, you know, but just one more. This is in case you want. Usually when we have this type of the branches, you don't need to touch, because there are some generative buds for sure, and this strength of the branch is excellent. This one is too weak, but you know, I don't suggest that you need to cut and go to remove, because this is not problematic. Just leave like that, and don't touch this, like, you know, the top or whatever. If you think that this branch is problematic, it's better to remove in total than to just the top. Don't do it. So, or leave like this.
We have done it.
Oh, excellent. So instead of one, we have the two. Okay, what is the now? Because what is the really important to know?
This can be used for Christmas decoration.
Why green pruning? Why pruning during the vegetation? You see how many branches created during the vegetation in one season. If you remove them in the time, let's say at the beginning of season, all this power of the tree will go in some other parts. This way it is the lost. What can be, I cannot cut. You can also cut like this and to remove this, and then this is the last one.
But in such cuts, in our conditions, because our area is warmer area, such cuts do invite canker.
Oh, okay. So this is some specificity.
We generally prefer cut on the current season growth only.
Okay.
Not the previous year cut.
Okay.
Anything below previous year.
Okay.
So that will hold for our conditions, because we are in subtropics, so we cannot go for the true temperate zone type of prune.
So you suggest not to cut here, just one?
Not to cut here.
Not
in
to cut
warmer area. No, we can cut one current season growth.
Okay, but this is not good.
It will invite the canker.
In that case, if you cut like this, and this must be cut.
Yeah.
In any case,
it can be.
Please come in the beginning on vegetation, and everything which is removing, just remove, because otherwise you will have the problem.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay. This branch is excellent, because this is is not thick. There are already some fruiting buds. It's maybe can bend, and next year you will have some spoots. So it's perfect. This one is too strong, which is going inside. So just to finish, in this case I will stop with this.
Okay.
What is the really important to take care? If you make such a big cut like this, you don't need to go and cut everything just to be perfect, because it will be in balance. So decide one big cut and few smaller, or many more smaller comparing one, because you need to balance. If now we have, this is the really huge cut, and if we cut all these small trees, we will just revigorate the growth. So choose what is the most problematic and remove. Okay, like this. Maybe just this to be.
We'll move ladder to that side.
Yeah, and then if you not, just to come back, and this tree is done. Nothing else. If you look this, let's say this branch, I will not touch it.
And these should go.
Yes, of course. But I cannot the reach from this distance. I need to go down and.
I have one question.
Yes.
The cut you have made, what we are practicing here from since stages, we are making transverse cuts, slant cut. We're not doing that straight cut.
Okay, come on. We are change position, and you are going up.
Like sir, we are doing this one.
Okay.
We are not making these cuts. Because it will again cause canker.
So you're talking about angle.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I agree. Yeah. Okay. And what about the size of? Do you?
We agree.
Yeah.
The size of the cut.
Yeah. If you need to create the vase, then you should take care about how big should be. But now you should just remove. Okay, I agree. You need to have some angle when you're cutting. Okay, now I'm going to the question of the iron. So this is, we really don't. But this usually you can do it like.
ये पूरा करना है, करवाना है ये। क्या है यार, इसका फायदा उठाना। बस लोड जाए, ऐसे को लगाए थे। ऐसे तब ज़्यादा होगा। Look, okay, please.
You see this one, and this one is very strong. This can stay. This is still strong, but not so much. So not cut everything. If we are going to okay. This is really upright. I don't need it. And maybe
संतराम छोटी कैंची जो छोटी टहनियों की जो सब्जी बनाते हैं ना, वो नहीं मिल रही है। चलो करो आगे मूव।